All right, guys, I'm back with another video, guys. So just you know that I'm only gonna do a 30-minute video recording through my video camera, and also as guys can see right here, I hooked two speakers through my radio, and you can still see those speakers are different. That's why I hooked this this up. But we're gonna try and see if the radio has more power to blow the speaker. I don't know why in the right has a broken voice cord, but we're gonna blow them up anyways. I'm sick of this shit. Hearing the freaking voice cord like sounds so funny to me, like laughing, ha 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 ha, like this shit is it. But glad we have a great time. I'm pretty surprised that you guys can hear. I'm pretty surprised that this radio doesn't have enough power to blow the speaker, but you can still hear my music is playing in the video, and hopefully I don't have to worry about getting copyright claim on my video. So anyways, let's get started on this. Let me turn that down in case if it's starts to blow. Let's see if the radio itself does have more power to blow the speaker. I'm gonna play that song, same song that I usually do in the previous video, Kiss It Better, and I want to see if the radio has enough power to blow the speaker if it plays the same volume that I usually keep it on max. Alright, I want to see what it sounds like. I'll be back. Wires for the speakers. I'm using two amplifiers to blow up the speakers. Wires for the speakers. And you. Wires for the speakers. I'm using two amplifiers to blow up the speakers. Wires for the speakers. Depending how much does the power take. Using amplifier that has so much power. I'll be blowing the speakers. 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 That's me for fighting. I'll be using the speakers. Usable for radio. Blow the speakers so hard. 50,000 watt. Doing right for fighting. It's time to blow the speakers up. Speakers up. I'm using the radio to demonstrate. I wanna see the smoke coming out. It's time to blow the speakers. Add more bass, we are tripping up. I'm using the radio to demonstrate. I wanna hear the voice. You hear the speaker on the left? What it sounds like?
Huh?
It sounds really funny, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wires for the speakers. I'm using two amplifiers to blow up the speakers. Wires for the speakers. And you. Wires for the speakers. I'm using two amplifiers to blow up the speakers. Wires for the speakers. People were fighting just for no reason. I'll try my best, I can choose by my business. I'll be blowing the speakers. 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 That's me for fighting. I'll be using the speakers. Usable for radio. Blow the speakers so hard. 50,000 watt. Doing right for fighting. It's time to blow the speakers up. Speakers up. I'm using the radio to demonstrate. I wanna see the smoke coming out. It's time to blow the speakers. Add more bass, we are tripping up. I'm using the radio to demonstrate. I wanna hear the broken voice call. It's time to blow the speakers. Add more bass, we are tripping up. Wires for the speakers. I'm using two amplifiers. Blow up the speakers. Wires for the speakers. And you. Wires for the speakers. I'm using two amplifiers. Blow up the speakers. Wires for the speakers. Blow up the speakers. Wires for the to blow up the speakers. Wires for the speakers. All right, guys. So I'm gonna move on to on recording it to my cell phone, but also doing live stream as well. So whatever you do, even though if it takes a lot of time to upload video, you can still watch on the live stream too. But this video that I recorded is gonna be it's gonna take time to upload it. So if I'm doing the live stream, if I'm doing live stream on my phone of me doing some pressure, there's another video I'm gonna be uploaded soon afterwards. By the time I get home, it's gonna be uploaded already. So I just want to say that just be patient. My live stream will be over real soon. This video will take time to upload it into my channel. So I'm gonna stop recording because I gotta it's because that my battery on my video camera is so low, and I forgot to charge it. I can still see the battery on the icon on the right. It's like it's going down. Like I can see it's going down halfway. Like yeah. So I'm gonna recording it using my phone, but also doing live stream as well. Well, whatever you do, be patient. Make sure to be patient as the video is uploaded to my channel. but I will be recording it on my phone, and I will start the live stream so you guys can watch the live stream on my phone. So anyways, so I'll be back. So enjoy watching the live stream, guys, and I'll see you there.